Good day, everyone. My name is Angel Aizy Madelo, and I am a student from Lyceum Northwestern University taking up Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. So today, I will be sharing my experience as an intern at the StraStan. So before joining the internship, I already had a basic knowledge in web development using technologies like React.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. However, I was not very confident with my technical skills yet, especially in cloud technologies and real-world development environments. Most of my experience before the internship was only based on school projects and personal projects, so I was still unfamiliar with how professional developers work in an actual setting. If I will rate my confidence before the internship, it is around 5 out of 10. At the same time, I was also excited and eager to learn new technologies, improve my skills, and gain real world experience from the internship. So, during the internship, I encountered challenges in learning AWS services such as Lambda, API Gateway, Cognito, DynamoDB, and CloudWatch. Since it was my first time working with cloud technologies in AWS services, I initially found it difficult to understand how these services work together. There were moments when I felt overwhelmed because there were many new concepts, terms, and processes that I needed to understand. Some tasks requires me to research independently and troubleshoot errors that I had never encountered before. However, through practice, research, and the guidance of my mentors, I gradually improved my skills and became more confident. My mentors were very supportive and patient in explaining concepts whenever we had a question or difficulties. One of the things I enjoyed learning the most was AWS cloud development because it gave me a better understanding of how modern applications are built and managed. I also learned the importance of teamwork, communication, problem solving, and continuous learning in a professional environment. Working with other developers helped me improve my collaboration skills and taught me how important it is to communicate effectively within the team. Because of this internship, I became more confident in my technical abilities and more prepared for future opportunities in cloud and full stack development. I also gained valuable experience using technologies such as Next.js, Node.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. After completing this internship, I would now rate my confidence in my technical skills around 8 out of 10, especially in AWS cloud development and full stack application development. This internship also strengthened my interest in pursuing a career in cloud and software development in the future. Lastly, I would like to thank the mentors, staff, and my fellow interns at the StraStan for their support and guidance throughout this journey. This internship has been very meaningful to me and valuable experience for me. Thank you.